Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't remember exactly what's in this box, but we're going to find out together as usual. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some of these cool stickers and some other benefits, there is, of course, a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. Let's go ahead and, it sounded so dismissive. Your support absolutely 100% does mean the world to me, because I wouldn't be able to, continue on with this channel if it weren't for my patrons and other people who support this channel in various ways, including people like Mr. Joe, who I'm certain will have included something in the box here. We can get some more information. I think there are multiple knives in here. I'm not 100% sure. But anyways, yes, thank you so much to everybody who supports me in any way, shape, or form. We do have a note. We got a Bestech. Okay. So, here we go. MC here is the Bestech Shinkansen. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. He also threw in a, I'll say, mystery knife for now for you to check out. Think you'll like it. Thanks for all the great videos. I find them to be a great escape from all the stuff going on nowadays. Hey, I'm happy that you feel that way, because that is a huge reason why I do this whole 2 videos a day thing. I want you guys to feel like you can come and escape daily. I mean, obviously, there's a lot of stuff that we all have to deal with in different ways, right? But I mean, yeah, we all deserve escapes in different forms, and if you find that, in my channel, then yeah, that's amazing. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Let's see here. I think that's about it. All right. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Is there okay, so they must both be in here. Let's see. We got this. Oh, I bet they're both in the same deal here. So, open this on up. This is the Bestech. Yeah, so the reason that I agreed to take a look at this is because it's a front flipper. A very compelling front flipper. I really, right off the bat, I can tell you guys this little indentation, that really helps. That's actually something that I hope that we see, and just right off the bat, hope that we see in front flippers in the future. It gives your thumb a specific spot to lock in, right? So there's no guesswork. That's where you're supposed to put your thumb, so you adjust the rest of your hand to make that work, and boy does that work well. It's a lot of odd colors here, but as is the case, stupid smooth too. Look at that. Doesn't need the extra. Here, it's totally fall shut. Very, very cool. There'll be a link down in the description for this guy, and this undoubtedly comes in many different colors. So if you're not a fan of the blue and gold, I'm sure, in true Bestech fashion, it comes in a lot of different colors. So that's pretty cool. Very, very interesting. There's the name so that you guys can, well, like I said, there'll be a link down below. And then there's a Wii knife in here. This is called, hold on, let me look at the note. This is called the Wii Zephyr. Yeah, I remember seeing this on, I guess, Blade HQ and a bunch of other retailers and just various parts of Instagram. Very interesting. Oh yeah, that little finger hole there definitely makes it easy to do the reverse flick, and the detent is really snappy. Listen to this. Click. Yeah, that's the kind of action I like to feel in a knife. Definitely the crisp break of the detent and the snap back into place. I like that very much. All right, well, do we have... No, Joe doesn't have Instagram. All right, well, thanks so much, Joe. I really appreciate you sending these 2 along. I think that's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. So let me go ahead and get that right there so you guys can see it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.